I don't have many time, or I don't have much time. If you get confused about using much or many in English, then pay attention, because we're going to take a minute to learn the difference and how to use these correctly in a sentence in English. Let's start with the similarities. Much and many in English both mean the same thing, a large quantity of something. Another similarity is that they're both commonly used in negative sentences and questions. For example, there aren't many options, or how much work do you have? Now the differences. You choose between much and many depending on what exactly you are referring to. I said there aren't many options. Options with S. So it's plural, right? It means I can count. 1 option, 2 options, 3 options. If that's the case, use many. I also said, how much work do you have? Because work is a word that you can't count. You can't say 1 work, 2 works, 3 works. It's kind of this grand concept in English. And there's other words like that a lot in English, like time, money, information. When you find that, use much as your option. So going back to the original sentence at the start of this video that we were confused about, now you say, I don't have much time. And if you don't have much time, but you love getting quick shots of English without all the heavy grammar rules, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you liked this one, please give it a like. Thank you and take care.